Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Demorites. We hope you are safe in this pandemic situation. Today we will continue our math series from the previous video. So let's learn together. In the previous video we discussed the divisibility rules of number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Today we will discuss the divisibility rules for the number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So let's get started. For the number 7, the divisibility rules is the unit digit of the given number is double and then it is subtracted from the number obtained after omitting the unit digit. If the remainder is divisible by 7, then the given number is also divisible by 7. Now, how can we use this rule to know that whether a number is divisible by 7 or not? Okay, here are some steps to check it. For example 1, we have 133 the number. Now we have to find the unit digit of this number. Here the unit digit is 3. Okay, so now we have to double this unit digit, which is 3 into 2 is 6. Now we have to subtract this doubled unit digit from the rest of the number, which is 13 here. Okay, now after subtracting the doubled unit digit from the rest of the number, we get the remainder 7. Okay, now this remainder 7 is divisible by 7. You all know that. So we can say that this 133 is divisible by 7. Okay, now in example 2, we have a 4-digit number. So how can we calculate this? So in the step 1, we have the same conditions here. First, we have to find the unit digit, which is 1. Now we have to double it, 1 into 2, which is 2. Now you have to subtract this doubled unit digit from the rest of the number, which is 107. Now after subtracting this 107 from 2, we have 105. We have 105. But this 105 is also a 3-digit number. Now we have to calculate this once again in step 2 in same manner. Okay, now here we have to find the unit digit, which is 5. Now we have to double it, 5 into 2, so 10. Now we have to subtract this from the rest of the number, which is here 10. As you can see, the rest of the number is 10. So now after subtracting this 10 from 10, we have the remainder 0. And as you know, 0 is divisible by all the numbers. 0 is also divisible by 7. So we can say that this whole number is divisible by 7. Now check the example 3. We clearly say here that it is not divisible by 7, but you check it on and say in the comment section that it is divisible or not by 7. Okay, now for the number 8, the rule is a number is divisible by 8 when the numbers formed by its last 3 digits are 0 or divisible by 8. Okay, the main point is its last 3 digits are 0 or divisible by 8. Okay, now in this number you have to find the last 3 digit, which is 120. Now you know this 120 is divisible by 8. So you can say that this whole number is divisible by 8. But in the second case, this 246 is not divisible by 8. This is the last 3 digit of this number. So we can see that this 246 is not divisible by 8. So we can say that this whole number is not divisible by 8. You check it on and comment in the comment section that it is divisible or not by 8. Okay. Now, in the third case, the number 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. This rule is similar to the rule for the number 3. If you don't know, then go to the description bar. We have the video link there. Okay. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So what does it mean? If a number we have here 5, 9, 2, 4, 3, 4, if we sum up all its digits, if the resultant number is divisible by 9, then we can say that this whole number is divisible by 9. So sum up with me. 5 plus 9 14 plus 2 16 plus 4 20 plus 3 23 plus 4 27. So as you know that 27 is divisible by 9, you can say that this whole number is divisible by 9. Now go and check yourself whether this number is divisible or not by 9 and comment in the comment section. Okay. Now for the number 10. The rule is a number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. Okay. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. This is the most easiest rule of all these divisible rules. Okay. What if the unit digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. So you have to find the unit digit and check it is 0 or not. If it is 0, it is divisible by 10. Here this big number, but you have to find the unit digit. Here the unit digit is 0, so you can say that this is divisible by 10. But in the second case, the unit digit is not 0, which is 7 is not 0, so you can say that this number is not divisible by 10. Okay. Now for the number 11. For the number 11, the rule is a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits at odd place and the sum of its digits at even place is either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits at odd place and the sum of its digits at even place is either 0 or multiple of 11. Now check the steps here and you will understand it. Now we have a number here 384259403. Now in step 1 you have to find the even place digits and sum up it. Now the even place digits are 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0. This is the even place. 8, then 2, then 9, then 0. So you have to sum up this and the result is 19. Now you have to, in the second step, you have to sum up the odd places digits. Now in odd places digits, the numbers are 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. You have to sum up this 3, 4, 5, 4, 3 and the result is 19. Now in step 3, you have to subtract the step 1 result and the step 2 result, which is 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. So from the rule you can see that if the resultant is either 0 or multiple of 11, we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So here the result is 0. So you can say that this number is divisible by 11. Now whether these two numbers in B and C, okay, whether it is divisible by 11 or not, check it and comment in the comment section. Okay, that's all for today. We hope this video is helpful to you guys. If you do like this video, please press the like button and do comment all your doubts in the comment section. We will try to clear all your doubts. For more updates, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for video notifications. Please share our video to support us. Stay home, stay safe, and follow the government rules. Thank you.